Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on Java Technologies Lab. So before going to look at experiment 3, we have to install a software. So the software name is Apache Tomcat. Okay, so in Google just type Apache Tomcat download and hit enter, and you go to this link which says tomcat.apache.org. So click on this link, and on the left hand side you will see Tomcat version 10. Okay, click on Tomcat 10, and if you scroll down, so under the binary distributions, under the core subcategory, you will see something called this one, 32-bit slash 64-bit Windows Service Installer. So as I told you in the first video, I am using Windows 10 operating system, so I am going to download this one. So once you click this, the software will download. So I have already downloaded, and the file that you will get is this one, Apache Tomcat 10.1.5. Okay, so just double click this. It shows this accept message. So click on yes and click on next. Okay, you can read the terms and conditions and click on I agree. And here, what you need to do is you click on this drop down menu, normal, and you change it to full. Okay, full installation. Okay, everything should be checked like this, and click next. Okay, leave the server shutdown port to -1, and this number is important, I will tell you later. So this is the port at which you will access the Tomcat server. So just leave it 8080, and Windows service name, this also you can leave it as it is. Okay, for Tomcat administrator login, it says optional, but it is better if you give some details, like username can be root, and give your whatever password you want, something which you can remember. Okay, or the username can be admin, whatever it is, just give some details, and we have to click next. So for me it is saying a service with the given service name is already installed. I have already installed the software, that is why it is showing me this message, otherwise you will not see this message. Okay, you can click next and finish. Okay, so that is the installation for Apache Tomcat server. Okay, so once the installation is over, you go to your browser, and in the address bar you can type localhost, okay, colon 8080. So you remember this port, right? In the while installing the Apache Tomcat, you have seen this port number, yeah, service port, right? 8080. So we will use that port. So localhost, okay, colon followed by 8080. And if you are seeing this page on your system, that means you have successfully installed Apache Tomcat version 10 on your system. Okay, so in the next video I am going to talk about servlets. So that's it for this video. Thank you.